Taking care of your mental health, tips and tricks. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about something that is very important to me, and that's mental health. As someone who has struggled with mental health issues in the past, I know how difficult it can be to take care of yourself. But, it's important to remember that your mental health is just as important as your physical health, if not more. So, let's start with some tips and tricks for taking care of your mental health. Tip number 1. Take time for yourself. It's important to take time for yourself every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. This can be anything from reading a book, going for a walk, or taking a bath. Just do something that makes you happy and allows you to relax. Tip number 2. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is a great way to calm your mind and reduce stress. You can practice mindfulness in many ways, such as yoga, meditation, or even just taking deep breaths. Find what works best for you and make it a part of your daily routine. Tip number 3. Reach out for help. It's important to remember that you don't have to go through mental health issues alone. Reach out to a therapist, friend, or family member for help and support. There's no shame in asking for help, and it can make a world of difference. Tip number 4. Practice gratitude. Practicing gratitude is a great way to shift your focus from negative thoughts to positive ones. Every day, write down a few things you're grateful for, or express gratitude to someone in your life. It can help improve your mood and overall mental health. Tip number 5. Take care of your physical health. Your physical health and mental health are closely connected. Make sure you're taking care of your physical health by exercising regularly, eating a healthy diet, and getting enough sleep. These things can all contribute to improved mental health. Those are my top tips and tricks for taking care of your mental health. Remember, it's important to prioritize your mental health and take care of yourself. If you're struggling, reach out for help and support. And as always, thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe on my channel. Also, I want to hear from you. Please comment.